Good morning, viewers, and STP is back to meet you. Monday, April 28, 2020, with the most up-to-date and interesting information with me, Siti Salma Aprilianti. Here's the full details. Headline news this time will fresh news of traffic jam, which often becomes a major problem for beaches in England. Not to mention congestion in London area to Manchester, which becomes subscription on congestion. On a typical day, the volume of vehicles already increases and becomes crowded in this area, especially during the long holiday in the end of 2019 and the beginning of 2020, in the direction of London to Manchester. The volume of vehicles looks increasingly overflowing. Congestion is not only happening in the big cities but also happen in London Whole Highway from London to Manchester. Congestion this time is accompanied by heavy rain that polluted the area of Manchester and the surrounding area starting this morning that causes flood around Manchester, not least in London Whole Highway, Manchester. This affects the congestion that is getting worse from the direction of London to Manchester. The congestion in this area has become a subscription and become a major problem for motorcyclists and cars because the bottleneck hampers the activities of the surrounding community, especially in the morning. Especially now is the holiday season at the end of 2019 and the beginning of 2020, which affect the traffic congestion is currently sharper in the Manchester area. First, not only congestion happens, but also heavy rain that flooded this area since at 7 a.m. The rain that has flooded this area seems through in the area around Manchester, causing a long traffic jam up to about 7 kilometers from the direction of London to Manchester. This jam has occurred almost 2 hours. Rain also makes lack of houses near the highway in Manchester flooded to a height of 30 to 40 heavy rain. Also, result in roads around the flooded Manchester and disrupt the road user. It is very dangerous, especially for two-wheel riders. The worst congestion occurs from the flyover near the Formal to the red light intersection of Whitton Street. This can be seen from the volume of but four-wheeled vehicles that have filled this street since this morning. So, for you who want to take a vacation or just passing in the areas of Manchester, it's better choose other alternative routes because the congestion is expected to last until noon in the rain, stuff, and weather in the dense areas around Manchester gradually reduces. That's my strategy for now. I am Siti Salma Apilanti saying goodbye. See you on the next NSTV news.